Man, what a beauty. What's happening, you guys? This is Antoine, aka the Bigfella, bringing you another video. It is Saturday morning around 10 o'clock. I'm actually about to go pack up the kayak and stuff now, and we're going to go ahead and do a 3-lure fishing challenge. Casey's Ultimate Outdoor Adventures sent me 3 lures. I sent him 3 lures, and we're challenging each other to catch a fish on each of the lures that we send each other, and we're going to try to do it in a 2-hour time limit. But before we go any further into this video, here's the question of the week. This week's question of the week is, what do you think are some of the determining factors in the decline of hunters and fishermen? Leave your answer down there in the comment section below. Alright, you guys, I'm about to run inside real quick and unbox this to see what he sent me and make a plan of where I want to go, and we'll go ahead out there and hit the water. Alright, you guys, I'm opening up the package now to see what we got inside. And looks like we got some pan fishing baits here. And we got a Berkeley flicker shad. And last but not least, we got some Crappy Magic Lucky Strikes. Or should I say Lucky Strike Crappy Magics. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and think about where I'm going to take this stuff. And go ahead and tie it on some rods, and we'll see if we can catch some fish. We are at this pond here. Let's go ahead and get this challenge started. Looks like it's a pretty good day out here. Water's really calm, no breeze, so shouldn't have to be worried about getting blown around all over the place. But check it out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start off with this little green jig here. We got it on a white jig head. I think it's an 1/8 ounce. Oh, that's a lot of grass in here. Okay. I think I chose a grassy pond, you guys. Alright, I'm gonna go around this corner here. I'm about to switch up colors here real quick. I don't think they want this color. Grass and grass and more grass. Or is that a fish? That's grass. That's definitely grass. Yep, grass. Loads of it again. Alright, you guys, I got this crankbait tied on. This is the 3rd and final bait. I got about an hour left in the contest to fish, so hopefully I can at least get something on this, and if I do, I can go back to the other 2 and try to get something on that. Alright, you guys, I got about half an hour left in this contest. It's not looking good for me. I ain't caught a single fish yet. We got one, you guys. We got one. Alright, got one on the crankbait. There we go. That's one. Not a nice, I mean, not a bad fish. Oh yeah, I still haven't figured out a lid situation for this thing, you guys. Alright, that's one. Maybe this day is turning around. Alright, you guys, we're at the 27-minute mark. Caught that fish on that crankbait, and let's see if we can get one on this thing here. Hopefully I can get me something rather quick so I can actually get on to the third lure. Oh! That was a fish. There it is. Get in here, fish number 2. He's still on? Yep, he's still on. This is fish number 2, y'all. Boom. Oh yeah, dark fish. Fish number 2. All right, that's 2 lures down. Got 10 minutes to go, so I can do the other one. Alright, making the switch. Got about like 10 or 9 minutes or so left. Let's see if the green can do it. The timer on my phone, I got 6 minutes 45 seconds left to get a fish on this last lure. What I noticed about the other 2 fish that I did catch, it was like, it looked like it was open water, but there was these submerged lily pads where it was nearby. You know, some just toppling the surface, some barely on the surface. There's a little hole right there. Yo, this green lure is really proving to be a challenge. I got like a minute and a half left, so something's gonna have to happen fast here. Sad part is I've gotten hits on this thing. I just haven't caught a fish with it yet. Oh. Well, that's the end of the challenge. Couldn't get a fish on this last lure right here. But it was fun. It was fun. Well, you guys, I think I'm gonna pack it up and go to another lake. I did choose this lake for the challenge because I know it's pressured, and I mean, this lake right here is probably one of the only lakes on this property that has so much real estate to be able to like bank fish from, so a lot of people come here to fish. But I don't think this lake is going to host the bigger fish that I'm kind of looking for right now. I wanted to do the challenge here just to give myself a little bit more of a challenge. But let me go ahead and get to the bank and load up the kayak, and we'll go ahead and hit another lake where some of the bass are bigger. So let's release these fish. All right, here you go, little guy. Go ahead on. Swimming on through the grass. Checking out the scene. Come on, guy. You got blood in the top of your mouth. What's going on with you? Alright. There he goes. He's off. Now that one darted away. Alright, let's go load up and get on this other lake here. Yeah, that's not a bad day at all. 3 lure contest, 2 fish. That one right there is a pretty decent sized fish, the one I caught off the crankbait. But let me get these guys back so they can go back home. Alright, here you go, little guy. Go ahead on. Swimming on through the grass. Checking out the scene. Come on, guy. You got blood in the top of your mouth. What's going on with you? Alright. There he goes. He's off. Now that one darted away. Alright, let's go load up and get on this other lake here. Alright, on to the next pond. I'm all packed up. I just got to drive out of these woods and make my way to that pond. Alright, y'all, we're here. See if I can hook into a bigger fish or something over here. This pond is, I don't want to say a little less unknown, but it's at the back of the property, so I don't think anybody like tends to make their way back here too often, so it's a little less pressured. How y'all doing?
Pretty good.
Good.
I got a question for you.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a phone or a phone charger that we could borrow or use?
I do have a phone, actually.
Because right there, and we had locked our keys in the truck.
Oh, man.
And we called AAA, and they said it'd be an hour back, an hour and a half.
Oh, wow. See, I actually got 2 phones. Hopefully one of them has service. Oh.
So it's just been an interesting last few hours, to say the least.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Alright, let's see if one of these has service. Alright, you guys, I am done fishing for the day. I had to stop abruptly because a couple college kids, they were back there doing some research or something for class, and they locked their keys in their vehicle. So, I took them up to the front gate and, let them call the tow truck company using my phone because their phones were dead. Then I sat there waiting for them, with them while the tow truck came. Then I took them back to the truck and made sure they got inside. I did that, like, if my kids were in trouble like that, I would hope to God somebody would help them out. But, I just missed out on a little bit of fishing, but I fish just about every weekend. So, it is what it is. I was glad I was able to help them out. Now they can actually head back to school, get some rest, because I know that was stressful, being locked out of your vehicle in the middle of nowhere with no cell phone. So, But I'm getting ready to head back home. I'm driving to the front gate now, and I'll tell you guys what, I'm passing loads of deer. If I see any more, I'll definitely try to get some pictures or something for you guys. Alright, you guys, I made it back home, and I just want to say I had a blast doing that 3 lure challenge. To Casey's Ultimate Outdoor Adventures, I want to thank you very much for sending me those lures and doing this challenge with me. I sent him 3 lures as well, so he'll be posting his video pretty soon. I'll link his channel down there in the description box below. Definitely go give him a follow and look out for that video. Alright, you guys, that's just going about do it. So if you liked this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and also hit that little subscribe button down there as well. And next to that, hit the little notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And also at the bottom of the screen is my social media accounts. Go give me a follow on those as well. I post a little bit more, kind of sort of almost daily. And I love engaging with you guys on that. So definitely go give me a follow on that as well. But that's going to do it for this episode of Bigfella Outdoors. Be sure to tune into the next episode. You can catch me outside doing what I love most. Getting my dose of the great outdoors. Be sure to get y'all too.